Complete your dream kitchen with this dual-fuel range cooker from Beko, which has great features to help you create feasts for friends and family. It has 4 cavities, including 2 fan ovens and a separate grill. Both fan ovens have a medium-sized 63-litre capacity, so it's perfect if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 7 cooking zones on the hob in 4 different sizes, so it's great if you like having multiple pans bubbling away at once. This model has a gas hob for rapid and responsive cooking. Because you can adjust the temperature so precisely, gas hobs offer greater control. So instead of clicking the dial from one heat level to another, you can fine-tune the flames to suit your cooking needs. Now, whether you're making a tasty meal for one or a feast for the family, you'll get delicious results in no time. The electric fan oven in the 2 cavities provides a fast, effective, and energy-efficient way to cook your food. The fan moves warm air around the cavity so that heat is spread evenly across all shelves with no transference of flavours. This means you'll be able to prepare a variety of dishes at the same time, while your food will always have the perfect finish. If you're looking for a dual-fuel range cooker to help you create feasts for friends and family, this model from Beko is the perfect one for you.